Hey Cinderellas, so this is for my champagne lovers. You got it, Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. This is like my ultimate one go-to highlighter. It is simply gorgeous, and I just opened a brand new package, but you can see this color is just so beautiful. This looks good on every skin tone. I'm gonna just swatch it so you can see what it looks like on my skin tone. You can kind of see, look at that beautiful, like light creamy. It's so creamy. It's gorgeous. You can use this as an eyeshadow. You can use this on your cheeks as a highlighter. You can use it as a body highlighter, face highlighter. Basically even put this into your lip color and make your lip color shiny. So I'm gonna just show you what this looks like. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, Cinderellas, so you just got to see me glow myself up with some Champagne Pop. Definitely one thing that you must have in your makeup kit, whether you're doing your own makeup for yourself or you're doing professional makeup, is definitely this product. Thank you, Becca Cosmetics, for sending this over to me. If you guys like this product and you want to check it out, definitely recommend adding it to your kit. Shop using the link below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.